Morning and hello. This is DST out and about. Not out and about today. I'm in the workshop because I've got a little job to do on our Autotrail Dakota. Most of you know that problems with the slide out step on these things can be a real pain in the what's name. Well, when we were travelling in Scotland over Christmas and New Year, we was getting an awful lot of muck and stuff from the front wheels because we had some new Michelin Aegis all-terrain tyres, and then off picking up a lot of rubbish and muck off the roads and water, and it was going all over the step. So I thought I'd come up with an idea to try and alleviate that problem. And this is what I'm going to do. So this is what I'll do, is I'll show you what I've done. Things about a bit. What I did was I went to the shop and bought myself a bit of rubber matting and put some brackets on it, and these are basically going to go up underneath the vehicle so that that is covering the step. So hopefully it'll alleviate that problem and we won't have any more muck and crud going in the step. So what I'll do is I will go outside and get this fitted, and then I'll show you when it's fitted, because it's going to be difficult underneath the van. So give us 5. Right, we'll go out to the van. It's always a good idea when you plan to do these. It's always a good plan when you do these things. That when I started this, when I fetched the bits and bobs, it was quite a nice morning, but it's guess what? It's flipping raining. Anyway, so it's always good to lay on the floor when it's raining. So this is what I've done. Hold that up. Down here. So there's the step, and what I've done is made that. It just fits underneath there quite nicely now, and that should keep all the wet off the step. And yeah, quite happy with that. Another little job done, and it nicely fits underneath there, so it's nice and tight on this ramp. So that should keep it all nice and taut, and the water off those flipping great Michelin tyres will save it going underneath there and getting all the grit and gravel and muck on there. So thanks for watching. I'll get up off the wet floor and get on with the next job, which who knows. But anyway, yeah, we're going to get the blinds done in the motorhome at some point. So when we go and get them done, we'll take you on that trip. So thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye for now.